welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing a bake with me. And I want to start out by saying Happy New Year because I know you're going to see this right after. I'm actually making this cake for my birthday. Some years I like to experiment, try a new recipe, and make myself a birthday cake. So that's what we're doing today. Like I said, you'll see this after New Year's. This is a bit more involved of a cake. So we're going to see how it comes out. This is a chocolate coffee cake. Yeah, so I did my best to measure out and kind of prep all the ingredients before I started, just to make this a little simpler, because there is a lot of ingredients, and there's actually going to be 3 parts to this. The first part is going to be to make the cake itself and then get those in the oven. We're going to make a chocolate coffee buttercream and then a chocolate coffee syrup, which reminds me, I'm brewing the hot coffee that we need for this recipe right now, because I almost forgot. I also preheated the oven to 350, so that's getting ready to warm up. And I'm gonna show you the pans. I did prep those, but we're making like a smaller version. Yes, this makes 2 8-inch cake pans, but we're gonna use my 6-inch because I don't need a ginormous cake. I just wanna try it, see if I like the flavor and if it's worth it to make it again. So let me show you what we're working with here. Over here I have my 2 mini cake pans. I think these are 6 inches if I'm not mistaken, and I've already cut some parchment paper to put in the bottoms. This just allows it to come out easier, and I have the cooling rack ready to go. Over here, just to show you the recipe, again, I will link the whole thing down below. Like I said, this is a bit more involved than I'm used to, and just wanted to shout out this lovely little recipe stand that my grandparents got me for Christmas. Absolutely love it. So yes, lots of ingredients. Over here, we kind of got the start of it. I think this was the sugar, brown sugar, powder, or baking powder, baking soda, espresso powder, and salt, and then cake flour. In here, I have cocoa powder pre-measured. We're gonna add coffee to that once it's brewed. This is eggs and vanilla and the milk, which will be added in. And then we're gonna also add vegetable oil and room temp sour cream as well. So like I said, a lot of ingredients, a lot of steps. I also have butter out here. So let's get started with making this batter so it's ready to go in the oven when the oven's preheated.
From a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, gets there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I
show you the mess that it created on the pan. But we're gonna check and see if this one is now no longer doughy. All right, we're gonna let that cool for 20 minutes. We're gonna start on the buttercream next. I feel like this is turning into an all-day project I did not plan on. I've got most of the ingredients out. I gotta grab just a couple of things from the fridge, I believe. Use the mixer to make the buttercream, and then we are making a coffee syrup in a saucepan. I'm going to put the ingredients in here now because you just add it all in and then we're gonna heat it, but I'll do that once we're done with this. But it just makes it easier to measure and then I don't have to wash and remeasure again. So let's get started by getting the rest of the ingredients measured and put where they need to go. For the buttercream, we're gonna cream together the butter, the cocoa, and powdered sugar on low until it's combined. And then we'll add in the coffee, heavy cream, vanilla, and salt. And then that should be it.
This is it, and I swear there ain't nothing better. We're up and we're out in the perfect weather. I just wanna run away with you. I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? It's on you to decide if something changes. Say bye, 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 bye. When you're stuck in chains, well, nothing changes. I just wanna run away with you. I said now I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? Don't you wanna lie by the ocean and glide to the places above? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? I'll go where the wind.
Third part is this. So this is the chocolate coffee syrup. I put all the ingredients in here and we're basically gonna whisk this over medium-high heat until it boils, and then we'll turn it down to thicken.
Go, and I'll go where the wind goes.
So now we can go on and assemble the cake now that all the components have been made. So I have the cooled pieces. I may end up just using this and doing it in half because this one I kind of cut wonky when it came out of the pan. I have the coffee chocolate syrup. I'm gonna fill this with some warm water here in a second. and then our buttercream and an offset spatula for that. I also have a serrated knife to cut this layer down, and tablespoon for the syrup. So let me grab my water and then we're gonna start cutting and assembling.
I never cared much for the traffic in Midtown, so I moved down south. I don't know where you are now. It's getting exhausting trying to imagine settling down when it's already happened. A piece of my heart is stuck in Manhattan. The last 4 years, you're all I've known. I guess I forgot how to be on my own. I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should have moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine. Trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. Up shit that you left on my nightstand. I have to admit, this is never what I planned.
And there you have it, my birthday cake, a chocolate coffee cake. I am not going to eat it yet because my birthday's not till midnight. I did taste bits of the stuff as we went, like of the cake itself, the icing, the syrup. It's all very good. Chocolate, coffee, just what I was looking for. I'm excited to eat it, but I do hope you enjoyed this bake with me. And I don't usually do things this elaborate. And to be honest, my heart just wasn't in it. This was taking way longer than I expected. I think if I would have like made the cakes yesterday and then spent the time doing the rest of it today, it would have been better. But I mean, it's almost 6 o'clock. Like, I started this around 2, so about 4 hours. I just wasn't expecting it because I wasn't feeling good this morning, and this probably was not the best day to do it, but I wanted it for my birthday. So again, as always, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody has a blessed day and a happy new year.
The hoodies, the t-shirts, the handwritten notes, the book from your parents I never let go. You left so much more than your words and your clothes.